You are paying for software that's already obsolete. Not next year, not when the market shifts. Right now, while you read this, AI has already built the replacement. The tools you've been paying monthly for? Replaced. The subscriptions you've budgeted into your business? Unnecessary. The companies charging you for features that free AI tools now do better. They know it too. That's what makes this urgent. Here are 5 categories where AI alternatives are not just cheaper, they're superior. 1. Video editing. You no longer need a $50 a month suite to color grade, cut silence, or sync audio. AI does it in minutes. Tools that once required a trained editor now run on a free tier with machine precision. 2. Copywriting. Forget the generic AI platforms charging per word. Open source language models trained on specific industries now outperform paid subscriptions with zero monthly fee. The gap isn't closing, it closed. 3. Code generation. The paid assistants built into legacy IDEs are being replaced by models you run locally. No API cost, no subscription, full control. 4. Design. The creative suites that dominated for decades are losing ground to AI tools that generate, iterate, and export in seconds. Free, or at a fraction of the cost. 5. Security and analytics. Enterprise-grade tools now have AI-native alternatives that smaller teams can access without the enterprise price tag. The software giants didn't see this coming. Or they did, and hoped you wouldn't notice. You just noticed. This is a dark cyber exposé, and this one is real. Subscribe now, so the next one reaches you the moment it drops.